Hello everyone and welcome. My name is NikkaNadia. Today we are going to be practicing a belly dance drill called the diamond. The diamond incorporates two other moves we've already gone over in some of the previous how-to videos, so we'll review them quickly together now. Finding our belly dance posture of our knees bent, our lower back gently elongated, lower belly softly pulling in. Chest is lifted and open. Knees are soft. Let's take our hips and move them side to side. Side to side. Going back and forth and back and forth. Side to side and side to side. I'll show you from the side. Show you from behind. We go back and forth and back and forth, side to side and side to side. Okay, we have that. Then we're adding chest lift and drop in the middle. Let's practice our chest lift. Again, lower back stays long. The pelvis is isolated and not moving now. Just the rib cage is lifting up, 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 and up. Common mistakes that our shoulders go back, or that our lower back moves, but it's just your chest going up, 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 and up. Now let's practice our chest accent, down, down. So the lift is gentle, the release is strong. Down, 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 down. Check you're not doing your shoulders. Down, down, accent down, 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 and down, 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 rest. Very good. Let's put those together. Finding our knees bent and hip accents. I'm going to go right, you can go left. Side, chest goes up. Hip goes other side, chest goes down. Hip goes side. We leave this hip to the side. Chest lifts up. Leave the chest up. Hip goes other side. Leave that hip side. Chest goes down. Side, up, side, down. Making a diamond. Side, up, side, down. Side, up, side, down, and side, up, side, down, faster, side, up, side, down, side, up, side, down, side, up, side, down, up, side, down, chest, hips, chest, hips, chest, hips, chest, hip, chest, hip, chest, hip, chest, hip, chest. Now let's do the other way. Side, lift, side, chest down, side, chest lift, side, chest down, side, lift, side, down, side, lift, side, down, and side, lift, side, down, side, lift, side, side, lift, side, down, side, lift, side, down. Very good. Keep going, keep breathing. Knees are bent, nice and controlled. Side, lift, side, down, side, lift, side, down, lift, side, down, side, lift, side, down. Relax. So that was fun. That's all there is to it. Might just take some practice to get the hang of it. Thank you so much for joining, and I'll see you soon.